Channel dear friends, today I am going to give a 6th lesson second part workbook answers. If you want to get remain lessons workbook answers, so you subscribe this channel. And second part, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. First one is, why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Answer, since Dadi was aged, she was weak, so she was not able to climb the stairs quickly. Second, how does Dadi like to have her dal? Answer, Dadi likes her dal to be a little sweet. Third question, what kind of dal do you like? Answer, I like dal which is a little sweet. Apart from this, I like the dal that is prepared during marriage functions. Fourth question, write the names of grains. Answer, names of grains: wheat, rice, millet, maize, jowar, etc. Next is fifth, write the names of pulses. Answer, names of pulses: tur, moong, urad, gram, wal, peas, etc. Next, sixth, which food items do we usually eat? The food items which we usually eat are roti, bakri, rotla, rice, dal, pulses, milk and its products, vegetables and fruits. Next, seventh, how are nutrients obtained from food useful to us? Answer, nutrients obtained from food are useful to us because they give us heat and energy. Next is eighth, what type of food should we not eat? Answer, we should not eat open, stale or marketed food. Next, ninth, state Munni's diet. Answer, Munni's diet is her mother's milk. Answer, answer the following questions in brief. Answer, first question, how do you know that you are hungry? I know that I am hungry when my stomach feels empty. I do not feel like doing anything. I feel weak and want to eat. Next, second question, want to eat something. Second, has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? Answer, yes. Once when my mother was down with malaria, nothing was cooked in our house for 3 days. As a result, we had to arrange for outside food. Next, third question, there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. When? What could be the reason? Answer, there can be many reasons why no food was cooked in the child's house, such First reason is saying the child's parents so poor. Second is maybe the child's mother may be unwell. Next, fourth question. For 4 months, Munni will have only her mother's milk and is her only food. Why? Newborn infants do not have teeth, so they drink only their mother's milk. For them, their mother's milk is a complete diet. Fifth question. Why should we eat food? Answer. We should eat food for the following reasons. First point, to get sufficient energy to perform all bodily functions. Second point, to allow proper growth and development of the body, etc. Next is sixth question. Which nutrients do grains, pulses, green vegetables and fruits provide to our body? Answer. Grains give heat and energy to our body. Pulses are useful in growth and development of the body. Green vegetables and fruits help the body to fight against diseases. Next question. What should we do so that our body gets all the necessary nutrients in sufficient amounts? Answer. To ensure that our body gets all the necessary nutrients in sufficient amounts along with the milk, we should include different grains, various pulses and vegetables and fruits according to the season in our diet. Eighth question. What happens if we take the same type of food every day? If we take the same type of food every day, we do not get all the nutrients that our body needs. As a result, the body gets affected by some disease. We will not feel like eating it. Next question, ninth. State the benefits of eating food. Answer. The benefits of eating food are as follows. First point, the body gets enough energy to work. Next, second point, the body grows and develops well. Next, 10th question. Name the different methods of cooking food. Give 2 examples of each. Different methods of cooking food are: first is roasting, second is deep fry, third boiling and steaming, fourth shallow frying. Next is method of cooking and types of food. And roasting, roti, which are the food items: roti, bakri, rotla. Second, frying, puri, bhajia and samosa. Third, boiling or steaming, and what is khaman, khichdi and rice. Next is shallow frying, which are the food paratha and tepla. Next, See, and 11th, categorize the following habits into good habits and bad habits. This paragraph I am not going to reading. Okay, now see, and good habits. What are here? What is some points are there given that in which are the good habits, which are bad habits, that you can write it to below. Here, good habits: chewing properly. Second is eating various daals and during the week. Second is brushing teeth after meals, etc. Next, bad habits: eating only what one likes. And second is eating only potatoes every day. And third, eating fried food and every day, etc. These are bad habits. Okay, bye friends.